Hello everybody, hello Facebook. I would like to greet all the Haitians that are living in Haiti and those that are living outside of Haiti. And also I would like to greet all the friends of Haiti. You might not be Haitian, but you might be married to Haitian. Or your kids might be half Haitian. Or you might just love the Caribbean and you love Haiti. I would like to wish you a very happy Flag Day. I'm very proud to be a Haitian, and I see a lot of Haitian. This is a custom. We just post our flag all over our Facebook and all over the social media to show our pride and to show how happy that we have, how happy we are for our flag and for the work that Toussaint Louverture, Jean-Jacques Dessalines, and all those fathers of our nation have done to give us a nation and to give us a flag. We are so proud of it. But today, I would like to address you and ask you and challenge every Haitian and friends of Haiti to do more than just stated our pride for Haiti, to do more than just posted a flag to show how much we love Haiti. I want you to be involved in the affairs of Haiti. I want you to see what you can do to better Haiti. And one thing that I will ask you and advise you to work on is see how you can be involved to create a justice system in Haiti. Because without a work justice system in Haiti, there is no Haiti. Because there will be no security, there will be no justice, and nobody will come and invest in Haiti. Nobody will feel comfortable to be in Haiti. So this is something all of us can work on. This is something even the criminals that's out there commit crimes. If you love Haiti, you must stop committing crimes. Because if you keep committing crimes, if you keep doing corruption, there is no future for Haiti. And one very simple way that you can show your pride for Haiti is just by going to Haiti. Adopt a kid. When I said adopted a kid, I'm not thinking about bringing the kids here. It's too much trouble for some people. You can just pay 1 year school for them or feed them. And the other way you can help, not just a kid, anybody. You can go to Haiti and choose to donate some money to a hospital, to a school, to a church. You can donate your time. You don't need to be a part of government. You don't need to be an authority in Haiti. You don't need to be nothing to do this. This is something very simple. And the other thing, you can support our local product, because Haiti have some local product. We produce a lot. You can spend money in there and all the product. And if you are very prideful to be Haitian, you can support a Haitian professional. If you know that they're studying to be a lawyer, use them. If they're a good lawyer, there's nothing wrong with that. If they have a business, you can stop at the business and support them, buying stuff from them, because you're gonna buy it anyway somewhere else. But you can choose to support Haitian business, support Haitian professionals, just to support Haiti. So I want you to do more than just say you love Haiti. I want you to do more than just posted the flag, then partying, then the music, then the ball. I want you to take some action to show how much prideful you are, how proud you are to be Haitian within your action. I want to wish you again a very happy Flag Day. May God bless you, and may God bless Haiti.